Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good noon class. I do hope you all are fine. Yes class, we have completed our poem The Rain. Today we are going to discuss gerunds and infinitives. I have divided this topic in two portions. First we will discuss gerunds. Yes class, come towards page number 47 of your textbook. Mention today's date and day. Yes class, today we are going to learn what is a gerund. What does it do in a sentence? How to form a gerund? How to identify it? And last one, what are the functions of a gerund? Yes class, a gerund in English is an ing form of verb or progressive form of verb that works as a noun in a sentence. So, when ing form of verb works as a noun, although it looks like a verb, but actually it does not work as a verb. Apparently that looks like a verb, but the function of those ing form of verbs is not actually a verb. How does it look like? When we add ing form of verb at the end of base verb, that becomes a gerund. For example, smoking, drinking, running, cooking. You can see these are ing form of verbs. Apparently these look like verbs, but when we will use this form of verb as a noun, it will become a gerund. So keep one thing in your mind: when we use ing form of verb as a noun, that is called gerund. Functions of a gerund. What is the function of a gerund? First one, subject of the sentence. Second one, object of the sentence. Third one, object of the preposition. Fourth one, subject complement. And last one, object of a possessive pronoun. So a gerund has 5 functions in a sentence. For example, smoking is not good for health. Here, which one is gerund? It's easy to identify smoking because that is ing form of verb. Now, let's identify its function. Smoking is not good for health. Is there anybody doing the action of smoking? Of course not. Here, smoking is a noun. This is a noun of that thing which is not good for health. What is not good for health? Of course, smoking. This is the subject of the sentence. Here, smoking is the ing form of verb and it is a subject of the sentence. Here, this ing form of the verb is called gerund. Smoking is gerund in this sentence. Cooking is my favorite hobby. Here, first of all, underline cooking, identify cooking. This is ing form of verb. So, ing form of verb. And let's identify its function. Cooking is my favorite hobby. Here, cooking is working as the subject of the sentence. So, we come to know cooking is a gerund here. How to find a gerund? How we can identify whether this word is a gerund? It's easy. Just ask what to the verb of the sentence. You will get your gerund. For example, what is not good for health? Of course, smoking. So here smoking is gerund. What is my favorite hobby? That is cooking. Here cooking is gerund. Yes, next example. Kids love playing all the time. Here, which is first of all Underline ing form of verb, playing. Yes. Let's identify its function. Here, kids is a subject, love is verb. And what does kids love? Kids love playing. Here, playing, which is ing form of verb, that answers the question what? That is an object. Here, gerund is working as an object, which is the second function of gerund. My brother hates waking up early in the morning. Again, underline ing form of verb, waking. Let's identify its function. My brother is a subject, hates is the verb, and waking up, is a object. Here, gerund is working as the object of a sentence. Next one, he is interested in fighting. Another example, first of all, underline fighting, ing form of verb. Let's identify its function. Here, he is the subject. Then fighting is object? Of course not. It's not an object of the sentence. Whereas here, fighting is the object of preposition. Which is preposition here? In is the preposition, object of the preposition in. So here fighting is working as the object of preposition, which is its third function. This is not the right time to talk about worshipping. So again, underline ing form of verb, worshipping. Let's identify its function. What is the function of worshipping? Is it a subject? Of course not. Here, this is the subject. Is it the object? No. This is not the object of the sentence. Then what is the function? That is the object of preposition, because here about is preposition. About worshipping. Worshipping is the object of the preposition. So here it performs the action of object of preposition, which is its third function. Then come towards next one. All I love is teaching. Here identify gerund, that is teaching, because we have just one verb with ing form of verb. This is subject complement here. I do hope you know what is subject complement. Yes, class. What is subject complement? Let's revise. It is a noun or an adjective that either renames the subject or modifies it. When it is a noun, it renames the subject, and when it is an adjective, it modifies the subject. Here, all I love is teaching. Here it renames to the subject, all I love. So this is the subject complement. My sister's passion is blogging. Underline the ing form of verb, which is belonging. Again, this is subject complement. Subject, my sister's passion. My sister's passion is blogging. Here it renames, it modifies the subject. So it is subject complement. So this is how the gerund acts as subject complement, which is its fourth function. We have come to know how it acts as a subject of the sentence, as an object of the sentence, as object of preposition, and subject complement. So class, we are done with 4 functions of gerund. And now last one is remaining, that is, what is last function? Fifth function is object of possessive pronoun. Let's see how gerunds are working as object of possessive pronoun. Say this example: her writing is so bad that you can't even read what she writes. Oh my god. Here, first of all, underline ing form of verb, which is writing. Is someone performing the action of doing something? Of course not. No one is performing the action of doing something. Then what is this? Yes, then what is writing here? Writing as object of the possessive pronoun. And which is possessive pronoun? Her. So together it is the, what is it? Together it is subject. So here gerund is working as the object of possessive pronoun, her. Her writing is so bad that you can't even read what she writes. I don't like your acting. Again, identify, underline, ing form of verb. Yes, acting. Let's identify its function. Is it the subject? Of course not. Is it the object? Alone it's not object. Then what is the function of this? Here it is the object of possessive pronoun. Which possessive pronoun? Your. Here your is possessive pronoun, and together it is working as the object. Yes, this is all about gerund and its functions. Let's revise what we have done today. We have done what is gerund. What is gerund? A gerund in English is an ing form of verb, a progressive form of verb that acts as a noun. It doesn't work as a verb. Since it does not work as an action verb, it is called non-finite verb, called a verbal too. It works as the following in sentences. First one as a subject of the sentence. Second one as the object of the sentence. Third one object of the preposition. Fourth one subject complement. And last one object of possessive pronoun. And how we identify gerund? Ask the question what to find it, which will answer the question what is the gerund. So, class, I do hope now you are clear what is gerund and what is the function of gerund in a sentence. Now I'm going to share a short exercise that is about the gerunds. Watch this video carefully, at least twice, and then move towards that exercise which I'm going to share in your Google Classroom. Thank you.